Hey guys, does this day sound familiar? You go to a confusing lecture, you ask for help, but your teacher can't explain anything. So you have to stay up way too late struggling with homework, and then the next day you do it all again. And again, and again, and again. By the time the test day comes around, you might as well have stayed home. You know a tutor could help, but good ones cost a lot and are hard to schedule. There's lots of free videos on YouTube, but it takes forever to find everything you need. And most of them don't explain anything better than your teacher. Some were even made by your teacher. That's when you find thattutorguy.com. Their videos cover every topic in your class. And the guy in the videos is a tutor, not a teacher, so he has tons of practice explaining these topics to normal students just like you. Plus he works tons of examples and shows you the tricks teachers pull for each type of problem. You sign up for the 1-week trial, and suddenly, you actually understand what's going on in class. You're spending less time on homework, and for the first time in a long time, you're not dreading the day you get your test back. What are you waiting for? Break the cycle. Sign up for That Tutor Guide today.